safe place. Over to Kingston Springs, it's a good idea to go ahead and get your preparations in order if this does continue, and you can actually see some of that rotation. I'll take you down to street level for you. And so if you are over into parts of Tennessee City, going into Taylor Road, going into Coon Creek Road, Lock Hollow Road, Hive, you need to be in your safe place, as well as going into Walnut Grove Road, as well going into Old Ruskin